Let's do this to freaking. Let's do this to freaking. Legs too low. What the freak, man?
Oh, I raised it down too low?
Oh, you threw the seat on?
There was no
It's no grabbing. Oh. Come on, Ziggy, man, Diggy. You on video, BC Pratt? I forget. And then I can just see just pants and legs. I see you. Go ahead. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead, buddy. That's the highest gear you got. You got to put in high gear, man. Hard gear. You got to be hardest to pedal. The top level. Put on top layer. Yeah. Stop. One more. One more. One more, it's not up yet. One more. One more, get up there. Come on, buddy. You're not going to be able to get no speed, man. We dance before your holy throne. We dance for you, for you. You on video, man. You got it. Now you're ready to go, man. Let's see what your legs can do. What them legs can do. Let me see power. Let me see speed, man. Oh, you want to put speed, huh, man? Let me see your speed, man. Let me see what you got, man. We're riding fast, man. Yes, we rise. Our prayer is. We got you the video, man. The video, man, right there, man. Our prayer is very fun to watch. We dance before your holy. You letting up, man? Huh? You getting slow, man? We dance for you, for you. You power your legs too soft. You gave your life. You power your legs too soft, man. Come on, man. Let's go, man. Let's see what your legs got, man. No traffic. We dance before your holy throne. We dance for you alone. You gave your life and too much for you. Thinking we're doing too much? We sing this song of love. Too tired? Too tired? You got more? You got more? You got tired? Come on, think what you got, baby. That's it, man. I like it. I like that power in your legs. Let's go, man. Let's go. I gotta get you on video. Somebody call you? There he goes, man. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's BC Pratt camera. That's BC Pratt. You know what I mean? Don't hurt yourself. We sing this song. This is probably getting smaller and smaller. Come on, Ziggy man. Come on, Ziggy, let's do this. We get 2 people on the video. You guys gotta show me what you got. Show the old man that he's an old man. Go ahead, man, go ahead. You want to do jumping, jumping, jumping? BC want to do the slingshot. I go in front, BC go in front, you go in front. Then over and over.
Let them see more of you in me. As I lay upon my bed, tears fall from my eyes. I consider the
We go too fast.
that are not of
Too fast for the little man.
in my heart aches.
Oh, this seat is too tight for my crotch.
With a deep desire, I need to be more like you. Father of all, come live in me. Letting those I love, needs to love, see your tenderness.
Dinosaurs.
Father of all, I invite your peace. Come live in me, Father of all.
How you feel, Ziggy man, Ziggy?
Father, I've tried doing things my way before. Yeah, I don't wanna be like
You got strong legs, my Ziggy. I saw you climb the mountain, man.
Creator, let your heart be within me. Father of all, let it be you that they see. As I lay upon my bed, tears fall from my
You got your spots?
I consider the ways that are not in my heart aches with pains.
It's a rider, man. It's a rider.
A deep desire, I need to be more like you. Father of all, come live in me. Let those I love need to love, see your tenderness.
Gotta slow down.
Father of all, I invite your peace. Come live in me. Father of all, come live in me. Let those I love need to love, see your tenderness. Father of all, I invite your peace. Come live in me. Father of all.
Quack, 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 quack. Get out the way, you birdies.
Teach me to be more like you. Father of all.
Uh-oh, you gotta leave.
Come live in me. Father of all. Come live in me. Father of all. Come live in me.
Yes, wet butt is fun. Wet butt is fun. Nobody knows if you go to the bathroom or yourself. Talk.
Was rejected because of hardness in their heart. The one who took pain paid the price of our new start. This very one who died and gave us reason to live, to give love to those who
Better.
mistreat us, and a heart to forgive.
Hey, how you doing?
All who suffered at the hands of another, come out from the beds, come out from the shade. Well, the God of creation is calling out your name. Turn to those with love.
Here he comes.
Who have
Here he comes. He's a strong boy coming. Strong boy passing.
So rise up,
How you legs feel, brother?
mighty warrior,
Too much for you?
rise up
You're not talking.
and receive
Too much? We gotta slow down?
what only God can give.
He said we gotta slow down just a little bit.
He
Gear
gives
down one
life
gear, that's it.
through the
Gear down one gear,
blood
keep the
of
same cadence.
Jesus Christ.
Ah,
He gives love and the strength to forgive. All who suffered at the hands of another, come
is that a
out
boat?
from the pit, come out from the shade. Well, the God of creation is calling out your name, and to those with love who have only brought you pain.
Man down!
So rise up,
We got the man down!
mighty warrior, rise up and receive
We got a man down!
what only God can give. He gives life through the blood of Jesus Christ. He gives love and the strength to forgive.
Show you how to do it. Show you how to do it.
The
I'll show you how to do it.
we
One video.
believe from our past.
Here. Here. There. You the center.
But a
You back.
cruel deception.
Easy that. That's it.
Take from us what is
Done.
rightfully ours.
Don't move that front one. Only move this here.
Sons and daughters
Make
of
easier, make harder. When I say gear down, I mean you
protection.
gear the right side down.
So rise up, mighty warrior, rise up and receive what only God can give. He gives life through the
He in low
blood
gear.
of Jesus
Yes,
Christ.
speed up now.
He gives love and the strength to forgive. Rise up,
I see little feet.
so rise
I hear
up,
thunder.
mighty warrior, rise up and receive what only God can give. He gives life through the blood of Jesus Christ.
Don't slow down. One gear down on the right side. Keep a nice cadence, not slow cadence, faster cadence. Yeah, huh? We pop up. We crash you. Yeah. Goal accomplished. We turn around, you turn. We turn around, you turn right here like this here. We go home.
You can be free. You can be free.
How you feel, my son? Slow down a little bit. Slow down a little bit, son. We wait for the BC. We ride side by side, huh? Try it. Let's take up whole trail like a steamroller. Well, we not do it right now. Let's we break everyone. Go ahead, go, you go. You going. We got to beat the storm now. Now we have a real race in front of us. All right, now you go ahead. You going ahead. I get you guys on video. I don't know. You take a left side, I take a middle, Zeke take a right. We drive together. Keep up with the BC Pratt.
Well, I want to sing a song of what you've done for
You go
me.
one. You got a nice cadence.
In my
Keep it that cadence right there. Don't stop at your cadence. You don't glide. You keep it your cadence. That's what you got to work on. Keep it your cadence.
Well, I want to tell the world.
You know, never stop the pedal. Making your legs tighten up. Keep the legs move. That making your hard work easier. I got you on the video.
I want to sing of the home.
Zeke, you control your pace, man. You want to go fast, you go to fast. You want to go slow, you go to slow. We follow you.
Gave to me.
The rain coming now.
I want to tell all the world.
One time the drop hit the camera. He couldn't see nothing. I went by like a windshield. Oh, he outpacing us.
When you hung upon the tree.
Oh, you're in a high gear.
There was a time I was so lost. I never thought I could be found, and then
You may be going a little high. You don't have to spin so fast. Oh, that light's nice right there. Oh, you crack a stick. How you feeling in my Zeke, man? You get a good video here. Post on YouTube. Crazy commentary and everything, man.
I want to sing of the joy. I want to sing of the love you gave to me.
Oh, he leaving us.
I want to tell
You stay the right side, think about it.
that it was you who paid the price when you hung upon the tree.
This freaking seat is so uncomfortable. Oh my god. I like the ones with like a gel wrap on it. This is fine, but it just needs a gel on it. A little gel seat cover. Try not to stop and glide. Just keep your legs pumping the whole time, that's all.
Emptiness was all I knew until my search led me to you.
Somebody's canoes, they store them there. Kayaks. Private properties all along this river. I mean lake.
And nothing can compare to the hope I found in Jesus Christ, my friend.
I know. Unless you want to become a snack.
I want to sing of the hope. I want to sing of the joy. I want to sing of the love you gave to me. I want to tell the world that it was you who paid the price.
Right. Generally there's no traffic here, but just go slow, you know. Pick a side, pick a side. Mario Kart.
I want to sing of the joy. I want to sing of the love you gave to me. I want to tell all the world that it was you who paid the price when you hung upon the tree. Arizona sky, so
don't slow down. You slow down too much.
painted by the hand
Keep on going, man. You go first. Beep, 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 beep. Stop, beep. Go around him.
It's covering for a people created in your image.
Yes. They got a nice view of water.
Beauty can be seen on the horizon. How beautiful to see.
No, you try too hard. Like I said, no stop. Keep your cadence. Pick a your cadence, you do your pace. You stay your pace. You pick a your nice cadence, you stay right there. You breathe. Now this is dangerous traffic. You have to slow down. Looking both ways, looking both ways. You start looking both. Uncle Larry, you're a great uncle, you say? Slow, slow, slow. It's slow, it's slow. It's slow, you don't get killed.
Set free in your salvation.
All right, we got to make it home now in one piece without getting cracked by lightning.
That you gave to me, yeah. Arizona sky.
You don't go bursty speed, you just go speed up a little bit. Ziki man, Diki. No bursty speed, you just speed up a little bit. You speed up a little bit more pressure. No, you sit down, you just give a little more pressure. A little more pressure to your legs, a little more faster your cadence there. You go a little bit faster. And then you sustain. Sustain your speed. Go to sustain your speed like it's here. Got to sustain your speed.
A reflection of your beauty can be seen on the horizon. How beautiful to see in the faces of the people of this land. Can be seen the work of your almighty hand. Yeah, Arizona sky, so beautiful. It's painted by the hand.
see you in the back there. Here, I got a picture of you in the back. Yeah. I have to get off seat. I have to crouch down. I see you in there. You take a pass, my son. Just easy, easy does it. You don't go burst, no burst. You keep a pace nice. Bringing him home. 25 minutes to 43 seconds, my friends. No go back and forth. You stay straight. Put your hands on bars. Give you more power. Yeah, lock in. Pump your legs, man. Pump your legs. Pump your legs like piston, man. Yeah, your gear is too slow. Got to put your gear one up.
Gather together the chief
one.
musicians, call together the
Your right side, you go one up, not up. One more. You gear one up, my son.
Do this song.
No, not it happens. You know work. Try one more time. No, wrong way. You go other way, easier. One more. You try it. There. Too much. One down. One down, one down. That, there you go. Now you pump your legs. Pump your legs, get you nice cadence. That's it. You take it home right there. Pump your legs, faster cadence. Faster cadence, less pressure. There you go. Nice. Perfect cadence for you. Gotta get the BC on the video. There he is. BC Pratt the stranger, now back in video frame. How about say it's done raining now? You lose your cadence, Iki. You lose your cadence. It's about to overflood. Oh, lightning! Let's get out of here. That's scary. Oh, that's like 8 miles. But that's not that far though, for lightning. 8 seconds is 2 miles.
Right.
Just focus on your pace, buddy. Focus on your pace. Don't try to get a burst. Just focus on strong pace. He's no afraid of us. He want to be a snack. Oh, we're coming on 30 minutes. Just kick that pace up a little bit. Let's finish strong. Last checkpoint. What's that rain in front of us? We're coming into the rain, baby. Here it comes. Come and get it. come for you, rain. Done and done. If we go for a bike ride, it'll be freaking wet. You see this freaking wet?
There.
Look at this wet.
Wicked there.
This is wet. This BC wet.
Yep.
It's Zeke wet. We go far ways on bike trail, we wet. May as well go swim. Bye bye, YouTubers.